Dear friends, today we are talking about the belt drive RPM calculation. Let's understand about the belt drive mechanism, how and why it is important, and how to calculate the belt driven or driver pulley RPM calculations. When you have two diameters and one RPM known, a belt drive is a frictional drive that transmits power between two or more shafts using pulleys and an elastic belt. In most cases, it is powered by friction, but it may also be a positive drive. It can operate at wide ranges of speed and power requirements. It is also high efficient power transmission mechanism. To find out the RPM called revolutions per minute of two connected shafts through pulley, when 1 RPM and 2 diameters are known, you can use the formula which is displaying here. RPM 1 into diameter 1 is equal to RPM 2 into diameter 2. Or generally we remember this formula, N1 D1 is equal to N2 D2, where N1 is the RPM of the driver pulley, D1 is the diameter of the driver pulley, N2 is the RPM of the driven pulley, and D2 is the diameter of the driven pulley. Here we must remember driver may be motor or any powered equipment from where we are getting the power and transmitting to driven pulley. And let's understand the steps to calculate the formula. Identify the known values, determine the RPM of the driver pulley and its diameter. Measure the diameter of the driven pulley. If you don't have the diameter of the driven pulley, you will need to measure it. Rearrange in the formula. If to find out the RPM of driven pulley, rearrange the formula. N2 is equal to N1 into D1 divided by D2. Let's calculate and how to calculate. Place the known values and calculate the RPM of the driven pulley. Let's go to the next slide. Here is the example where we can put the values in the formula. If the mechanism of one driven and driver pulley of the machine, where the N1 means N1 we are calling here the motor's pulley diameter and RPM. N1 into D1 is 1440 and the diameter is 75 mm and the diameter of the driven pulley is 250 mm. We put the values in the formula and the formula is N2 is equal to N1 into D1 divided by D2. So you can calculate and see the value of driven pulley RPM would be 432. So this way we calculate the driven pulley RPM. In the same way you can calculate if you have N2, D2 and N1. So you can find out the value of D1 by using this formula. Thank you dear friends for watching this informative video. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.